These are tips for piqué turns on dehors. So stay tuned, we're gonna do this. Here we go. Hi, this is Cheryl Ale. I'm the founding director of RPM, Revolutionary Principles of Movement. I am teaching dancers and teachers to be their very best. They can be here at RPM and wherever you are in the world. This is ballet for everybody. This is what we do. So, what are you waiting for? I'm ready to give you those tips. Come on, let's go. Okay, we are going to work on piqué turns. Piqué turns seem like a really simple turn. Well, what's the big deal? How do I just turn, I look at the corner and I turn. Well, there are the particulars of this and the technique and the principles of this are super important for you to have that snap in the piqué turn. Actually, piqué means to prick, like prick your finger, but it should be fast, quick, and absolute in the turn and not veer from the center, because the centripetal force will pull you off center. So if you're thinking, okay, let me just do my piqué turn, I'm gonna look over my right shoulder, right? Watch what happens. Okay, you're going sort of around it, right? So what should really happen in a piqué turn is you are going to be looking over your left shoulder. Yeah, so my lovely assistants, we have our Ballet Palm Beach girls. We've got Shannon and Adriana. So they are going to show us this gorgeous piqués. We're going to do it without looking over the left shoulder first and then looking over the left shoulder. So the difference being is when you look over your left shoulder and you step into it, it's much quicker and it brings you over your center of balance. Therefore, centripetal and centrifugally, you stay centered. Okay, so when you're going in a circle, you can actually stay going in a real circle and it doesn't become an elliptical. I don't know if that's happened to you in your classes and you don't know why. So this is great to tighten up the technique. So here we go. First, we will have our piqués going directly to the camera. And so we will start with Adriana.
Doing it the wrong way?
I want Adriana to do it the wrong way first. Yes, go ahead and look just over your right shoulder. And I'm sure you're thinking, well, that's not so bad, but Adriana, let's try that over your left shoulder. Yeah, there it is. Okay, all right, so now we're going to have Shannon. Now Shannon has a different quality. Every dancer is going to have a different quality, yet it's still as succinct and fresh. Okay, so let's do just looking over the left shoulder, this. Going over the left shoulder. So, and piqué, 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 piqué. Very good. So she's almost slow motioning and giving us that. Miss Adriana is giving us more of a staccato. Try that again, Adriana. Let's do piqué, 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 and do that very staccato like you do. Piqué, over that left shoulder. Piqué, 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 and piqué, 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 piqué. See what that looks like? That's the difference. That's beautiful. Thank you, Adriana. So we're going to finish this piece by doing piqués in a circle. So you can see that they are going to be able, so we're hoping, no, they will, absolutely. We're going to start in a circle, and we may have a little slow motion version of this too, so it'll be really nice. You can really see the action-reaction of the balance, the centripetal and centrifugal force when technically with the principle of looking over your left shoulder, your opposite shoulder. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A little faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See the The head coming over that second shoulder gives the succinct, clean technique. Do you have any other tips that you'd like to share with us in the comments below? Please do that. We love helping each other. It's all about helping you dance better. And both for the teachers and the students, again, you're all going to get better. We're going to get better together. Again, hit that subscribe button and see you next time.